So Rob's come up today, he's doing a bit on XR2. He's trying to set back bumper off, he's in the background. We'll get a bit of footage of Rob destroying the car before he
destroyed
takes some photos and then puts it on Facebook telling everyone he's got an XR2 again.
They know I've got an XR2.
We don't all know that he's got an XR2. No, we do all know, to be fair. Everybody knows.
I've got two XR2s.
Right, anyway, yeah, we'll get some videos of Bob trying to do some work.
Can't you just put it on time lapse? You totally do an intro at the beginning, don't you? Just put it on time lapse. There's not much interesting to fucking do here, is there really? Fucking just undoing a few bolts. I'm not explaining how to destroy an XR2. I'm only stripping it down, huh? There's not much to talk about at the minute. Just finished taking kit off, and it is a little worse for wear. So, passenger side, I think I'm gonna have to buy rear arch kits and maybe the rear quarter sections. This guy loved his tiger seal, size of that chunk. Whoever's done this has bodged it. It's the only thing with these old cars. Basically what he's done is fiberglass fill over rust. And as you can see, it is gone, that sill. So I'm going to need inner and outer sills, crusty there. And he also loved his wood screws. I hate people who put body kits on with wood screws. Front wings are decent, obviously aftermarket, but they'll go again. Go on that other side. So this side, it's not that bad, that lower quarter. But here, he's gone to town with fiberglass filler again. Whoever's done it. Bodging. Tiger seal. But that false sealed up until about here is full fiberglass filler, as you can see. So more panels need to get ordered. inside at doors. Bottom have gone, but that don't matter because I just bought a pair of mint ones. Same again with front wing. Decent front wing. Just use a full tuber tiger seal on it. Front panel, I reckon that'll go again. It's not that bad. So all in all, need to start ordering some panels. Boot lid is mint. Got a good boot lid on it. Probably on a decent panel, look, can't be fair. It's bad. Bad, isn't she? That's metal there.
That is what literally off fiberglass, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow. Well, this is what they used to do when back in day, keep them on the road.
Look at that.
I think that needs a fucking quarter. Yeah, it's definitely seen better days. Workshop's a right mess.
Let's sleep in.
On a brighter note, we're getting there at BM now. I don't know if anyone's been watching this, but doing a video on this as well. If anyone wants to watch it. But we're getting places now.
Shows you what filler can hide, doesn't it?
Look at that, how beautiful. Wow, you can actually see behind the filler that they put on. Whoa, I got that on video. Wow.
It's a bit of a full arch kit.
Yeah, it's literally put an arch kit on it. Wow, that's bad as that, mate.
It is, isn't it?
And to think you've been doing at least 50 mile an hour in this.
140 in it. Dangerous shit, that.
If anybody wants an hockey stick for an RS 1600i. Yeah.
Metal there, though.
Metal where?
There.
Yeah, there won't be once you clean it off enough to actually weld to something. I think you're going to be.
Out, doesn't it?
I think you'll be down for inner and outers. To be fair, inner and outer arches. Yeah. Obviously 2 sills, full floor, chassis legs, front and back. Yep. Yep. Oh, look at that, beautiful. Look at that. Well, I'll tell you what it is. I'll tell you why it's like this. It's all about that. if it didn't have that on it, it'd probably be mint, but unfortunately, fix or repair daily. Somebody's fixed this and repaired it daily.
Yeah, but yes.
They've actually put some metal in there, though, look. They've plated it up. Plated it up. Okay.
You what? A bit more there.
What did you give for that, tenner?
Yeah, that, yeah.
So you only give it 10 for the car, so it's not on a loss yet, because we're gonna go way on this fiberglass thing.
Yeah, once. Chopping.
Yep.
He's gone to town with that.
You better buy them lower quarters there.
Oh yeah, it's like that guy's super on.
Saying that though, the sills will come to there, innit?
Yeah,
because
yeah.
come up there. And, yeah.
It's like that guy's super on.
Oh yeah, I've seen that guy's super. Yeah. Look, he's got a contract with you, Paul, hasn't he?
Yeah, and that
Yeah,
clear.
yeah, that door's same, right? Look at that door there. Look how thick it is.
Yeah, but I've bought some doors.
Right. Sounds like a golf. Yeah, it's definitely a little bit.
I've never seen one like that before, though.
Nah, it's.
What is that?
I think you should take that to your man cave and hang it on the wall.
I'm gonna.
Yeah, definitely. That's what you call 3 tubs of.
It's what you call. Always take your.
Yeah, they've done good. They've done good at shaping it, haven't they? I mean,
Yeah.
come on. Let's give the guys credit.
Stevie Wonder did it.
Yeah, done a really good job of shaping that. I bet when it first got put on, it looked great.
Not great.
I'll tell you that for a fact. Oh, look at that. That's what happens if you're in a 2 mile an hour crash.
I'll tell you what it is. Always take your body kicks off.
Yep.
Slowly getting there. It's actually solid in there, which is a shock. We'll be dropping lower beam anyway, because it'll be all getting powder coated, but to get up there, get the rest of that out. I've already done underneath the car. Rear valance is mint, so that won't be getting touched. Rear floor, scraped out under seal off that. So, it's just a case of ordering panels now. 2 inner sills, 2 outer sills, got floor pans over there. Got some panels coming off that white shell I've bought. And let me just get the light, feel the reach. You can see where I've bodged the plate in back floor pan, which hopefully the white shell will be donating that, and then it's just a case of ordering a new cross member as well as where they've chopped it before to fit the downpipe from turbo in. It's a right mess that. So slowly getting there. Maybe in another 4 years it'll be done. So I'll crack on now, take the upper side off, start stripping that under seal off, and I'll just carry on filming. A day on the G plate XR2. Started digging deeper today, taking out under seal of the inner arches and finding more and more bodged repairs from the past. Like this plate here, for instance, it's not even welded there. Pull it. Stevie Wonder's had a go at it there. And then fiberglass filled it. More and more bodged plates inside sill. Don't matter because it's getting chopped out anyway. Also found rear anti-roll bar hanger. Needs a patch putting in there. Hang on, let's look through the boot. As you can see, Another bodged patch just to get it through its MOT and past. Don't know who's done it like. Also, 2 new floor pans there for it. Need to buy rest at panels. But I have bought a D-plate white XR2 shell. Just because I need the chassis leg out of it, as mine's crusty down there and got a hole further back. So I'll be taking that out, the white one. Front panel, that'll go again, as it's not bad at all. Wings are good. And like I said before, bought another set of doors that I mint. So I'll crack on, carry on taking this under seal off. Horrible job it is. And I'll carry on filming. Got back from picking a pair of doors up. And I've bought these off at the same lad that I've bought the XR2 shell off of. And I'm glad I have bought them, to be fair. They will need painting, obviously. Probably a little bit of filler in them. A few little scrapes and that on them. A few little dings. But they are rot free. As you can see on mine, on the other videos, has gone in this corner at bottom of driver's one. I reckon that's due to where they fold this outer lip, outer door skin over door frame. Must trap moisture in them. So yeah, happy with them. What else have we got in here? Mercedes 1RS turbo gearbox for it, Quaife diff. Turbos there, ready to go. 360-degree bearing in it. Stage 3 head. Reconditioned starter motor, there's loads of bits in that box as well. Radiators, new sump, all pipe work. I've got some other bits up here, bumpers, strut braces, front body kit, more bumpers up there and some other bits and bobs. So yeah, I'll wrap this video up here. I'll see you all in the next one.